Today is Mongoose Monday, October 19th. That is right, it is Mongoose's day. It is his time to shine. Now, in case you do not know who the mongoose is, here are some various videos that you can quickly look at that are going to be popping up at the screen. You can subscribe to the channel and check them out right now. Now we move on to the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Well, Monday's menu. That is right, Mongoose Monday. We have Salisbury steak with roll, mashed potatoes with brown gravy, broccoli with ranch dressing, raisins and fresh fruit. Choice B, stuffed crust pizza. Tuesday's menu, Philly cheesesteak sandwich basket with baked chips, baked beans, vegetable medley, and fresh fruit. Choice B, personal pizza. For breakfast, bagel with cream cheese, raisins, and milk. Now, the mongoose would like to congratulate the cross-country team. Congratulations to our girls, cross-country team, for our outstanding season of running. They placed 3rd place at the Billy Goat Invitational in Youngstown. That's an interesting name, the Billy Goat. I used to raise billy goats in the country I used to live in. And 2nd at the Black River Invitational. The girls placed 2nd in the regular season, meets with a record of 6-1. They also finished 2nd in the Metro League Championships, run at Goodyear Park in Akron, Ohio. Thursday, Emma Hibbler, who has had an outstanding season, I might add, led the way with 3rd place finish in 13 minutes and 58 seconds. Vanessa Mohimes, who has also been outstanding, placed 4th with a time of 14 minutes and 8 seconds. Gabriela Izzo placed 13th. Stella Roche, Jasmine Shimko, and Julie Nagy rounded out the team. Congratulations, girls, on your excellent running. And congratulations to the boys cross-country team for an outstanding season also. The boys placed 3rd in the regular season, meets with a record of 5-2 in the Metro League Championships run at Goodyear Park in Akron, Ohio. On Thursday, they placed 2nd. Gavin Forbes, who has had a great rookie year this season, placed 10th, leading the boys in a time of 12 minutes and 47 seconds. He was followed by Ronan Barzik, placing 14th in 13 minutes and 8 seconds. Joe Armagito placed 16th in 13 minutes and 10 seconds. And right behind was Alejandro Porras in 17th, also with a time of 13 seconds, 13 minutes, 13 seconds would be fast, 13 minutes and 10 seconds. Nathan Malakowski, Joshua Bauman, Landon Sutherland, Kyle Kane, and Oliver Bonner rounded up the team. On Saturday, October 24th, the teams will travel to Columbus to run in the state championships. We wish both teams good luck. Now we're hitting a new segment that I would like to call Kwa. Many people think, what is Kwa? It is what some people call Q&A, but I like to call Kwa. So we are going to go to Kwa, and we are going to have a little graphic here that I'd like to show you. It is Ask the Mongoose a Question, or Q&A, or Kwa. that is what we're doing. So we are going to ask a question. I do not know anything about what the question is going to be. So let us begin. Where does the white go when the snow melts? Where does the white go when the snow melts? That is an excellent question. Where does the white go when the snow melts? Well, the white, that is called snow, melts because the temperature gets above 32 degrees. And it melts into the ground. That is an excellent question. Now, of course, the mongoose loves snow. He enjoys going sledding and skiing with his family, especially Papa Mongoose. Now we have a quote of the day that is given by a specific student who I would like to recognize. Her name is Abby Sprowski. Thank you, Abby Sprowski, for sharing the quote of the day today. It costs nothing to be nice. It costs nothing to be nice. I'm going to put that quote up right now so you can see. The mongoose was a little thrown off by that question, I have to admit. But there you go. It costs nothing to be nice. So there you are. Now we move on to students. Remember your Colt pride. Be responsible, be respectful, and be safe. With that being said, we are concluding Mongoose Monday today. Thank you so much for joining us. Be safe, be smart, make good decisions, and enjoy your Mongoose Monday. Be blessed, Cloverleaf.